You think you can convince Lorenzana and the guys there, you can bribe them? Or you would think that sila papayag na kami ang mag-bribe them the way I talk, the way I've been firing people? Tapos tingnan niyo yung ano. What do you know about also the book that Bongo to interview?
Sir, as far as we're concerned, we've already addressed the issue of fairness on that article. Can you just answer please the question?
I am now explaining even with your article. Find a way that masabi ka ng totoo nag-interview kami. I'll give it to you. And if you can find, I will ask Bob to resign tomorrow. Work on it tonight. Let me know tomorrow and I will hire him. If he did the interview, even for 1 word. Kasi tingnan niyo yung article niyo. Kung kaya kayong kawalin yung kapwa-tao ninyo yung araw-araw. Just because you have the power of press freedom, the issue here is